This video will show you how to add lines to help you organize your portfolio. Lines can be helpful to separate different aspects of your portfolio. I like to use them to separate artifacts from each other on a page. They can also be helpful when used with the header or footer. Here in the header, a line appears below the information. In the footer, the line would appear above, to separate the different materials from each other a little. After logging into Blackboard, click on the Content Collection tab at the top of the page. On the left side, click Portfolios and then My Portfolios. Look for the portfolio that you want to work with and click the double arrow action button to go to Edit. Now click Personal Artifacts on the left side. Find the artifact that you want to edit, go to the double arrow action button for that artifact and go down to Edit. On the next page, you will see the content box. Anything you put in this box will appear on your portfolio. You can edit directly in this box. You can put a line at the top of your artifact, and then it'll separate each artifact on your page. For example, I have 3 artifacts here separated by lines. I didn't put any line in the first one, but I put a line at the top of each of the second 2. To create a line, you would click on this button with the pencil. If for some reason the pencil line doesn't work, use the line on your keyboard next to the backspace button. Be sure to hit Submit when you are finished. To make a line in your header or footer, it works in the same way. On the left side, click Portfolios and then My Portfolios. Look for the portfolio you want to work with and click the double arrow action button to go to Edit. Now click Build the Portfolio. See the header at the top. Click the double arrow action button next to it and go to Edit. Here is the box for editing the header. Here is the pencil where you can add a line. It's best to put it at the bottom. Again, if for some reason the pencil line doesn't work, use the line on your keyboard next to the backspace button. Remember to hit Submit when you are complete. Here is what the lines will look like in the header and footer. Here is what the lines look like between artifacts. And that is how you add lines to help you organize your portfolio.